Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I, Ikas Kaur and Sejal Yadav are feeling incredibly happy and excited because we have reached a significant milestone. Can you believe it? We have completed 4 amazing years of this incredible mission that is Project Kilkari. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you who has been a part of this mission since day one and to those who have joined along the way as well. Your support, encouragement, and enthusiasm have been the driving force behind our success. In today's video, we are going to celebrate these incredible 4 years in a world where dreams are often distant and aspirations seem out of reach. There's a symbol of change. The past 4 years, our dedicated team has been on a mission to uplift the lives of underprivileged children, to provide them with knowledge and to light up their futures. Today, we stand proud as we celebrate 4 years of Kilkari, 4 years of transforming lives, and 4 years of building a brighter tomorrow. As we reflect on our journey so far, we have also looked forward to the countless stories that are yet to be written because our commitment to these children knows no bounds and our mission continues. And as we say, Kilkari, sabki zimmedari. So let's start from the very beginning. Project Kilkari was initially launched in 2019. We started our first Pathshala in Milkaganj with just 30 students. By the time, we also started our second Pathshala in JJ Colony. Also, I would like to say, in the face of adversity, when the world hit pause, we chose to hit play. We didn't stop, we adapted. We didn't surrender to the pandemic. We stood strong and kept moving fast. Because in every obstacle, we saw an opportunity and hence we started teaching online during COVID pandemic. We also launched a set of self-help books as well. Starting with around just 20 plus interns, and now we have more than 150 interns from 65 plus colleges and universities from different states. Our interns work 365 days a year to provide the best education to our children. We have been conducting regular brainstorming sessions, training sessions, and offline meetups to ensure education is accessible to all. On 7 September 2022, we completed 3 years of Kilkari. Also, these were not just 3 years of a project, but it's just like seeing your child growing up, right? We also celebrated Diwali, that is the festival of lights, with our students in offline mode in the form of Agaz-e-Dipotsav in October 2022. There was another Kilkari team meetup at Sundar Nursery on 27th April 2022 because the project believes that the work should be done along with the fun. I hope you all agree with me. In June 2022, our team visited Azadpur to find out the basic problems faced by the people living in that area and also visited Timarpur to find out more beneficiaries focusing on education for all. Kilkari also came up with a very interesting idea, that is a e-summer camp, a virtual e-summer camp, that is Summer Fiesta, with the aim of doing fun in the month of July. We conducting storytelling session named Dastan under summer camp. It was followed by the Rohar, a cultural diversity session. We also conducted legal awareness session in collaboration with Project Sayog and a e-summer camp. A health and hygiene session was also conducted. We also conducted a workshop on 2nd October 2022 to embrace the 153rd birth anniversary of a father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and it was all followed by a cleanliness drive.
Now, moving ahead, talking about the collaborations that have transformed education for underprivileged. In the pursuit of providing quality education to underprivileged students, Kilkari embarked on a journey of collaboration. These strategic partnerships have not only made the project's objective possible, but have also propelled Kilkari to new heights. Starting with WeCare, Kilkari collaborated with WeCare with the aim of expanding the project. We wanted to improve the world for these helpless spaces by offering high quality education and co curricular possibilities and making a bigger change in the life of needy. And by this collaboration, we say Kilkari Care with We Care. Next comes Project Parvaz, a Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh based NGO who, just like us, believe in right of education for everyone. We together believe what Mahatma Gandhi said, be the change you want to see. And hence, with our volunteers alongside us, we have worked together for our society and our children with Project Parvaz. By giving them education virtually through audio calls in Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir under a set routine, specified breaks, providing books and well planned courses and interactive activities. Now, talking further about My Angels Academy, the whole team of Project Kilkari was invited by My Angels Academy to their annual day celebration on 19th August 2022 at St. Mark's School, Chanakpuri. Covering amazing dance and singing performances by the Angels, this event ended us with a bag of full memories. Furthermore, our newest collaboration is with an NGO named Seva Bharti, where students ranging from standard 7th to 12th are taught basic level English and maths. Last but not the least is Project Sahyog. Project Kilkari, along with Project Sahyog, conducted a winter camp for our students. It was a 7-day program and included self care and mental sessions, health hygiene sessions, financial literacy sessions, etc. All these collaborations and events aim to nurture talents in young minds and provided them adequate resources to grow in every aspect of their life. Lastly, in these 4 years, Project Kilkari has made every way possible to uplift the underprivileged and achieve education for all. Making a change and aiming to reach greater heights in future is Kilkari all about. क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया जभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Hence, we would like to summarize the Project Kilkari as कहानी एक उम्मीद की, कहानी हजारों सपनों की, कहानी ये जिम्मेदारी की, कहानी उन नन्हे चेहरों की, कहानी है ये किलकारी की. Thank you for watching the video.